Hey guys, Justin Cole, the car guide here at my shop in Rowlett, Texas. We are your go-to spot for anything Mercedes service related. I worked at Mercedes for a number of years here in the Dallas area, and we are here to take care of your super common services. Everyone knows that owns a Mercedes about an A service and a B service, and then which are every 10,000 miles or so. You have to make sure that you use the Mobil 1 European synthetic for your Mercedes. If anyone hasn't already told you, it is a direct void of your warranty if you don't. You have to make sure you do that. It is super critical. When I worked at Mercedes, I actually saw situations where people had not used the correct oil because they got their oil changed at a facility that didn't know what they were doing. There was a catastrophic engine issue, and they actually sent in their engineers to inspect everything and found that due to the improper oil, they were not going to honor the warranty claim. And as you probably can imagine, a Mercedes engine can be tens of thousands of dollars or more if you have one of the more exotic ones. But anything from oil changes, filter replacements, we can do your coolant flushes, anything related to your AC system we can usually handle. Obviously tires, brakes. We'd love to help you with any of your, again, Mercedes-Benz related service requirements. Please give us a call at 469-501-5115. Again, it's Justin Cole, the car guy here at my shop, Accelerate Auto Repair in Rowlett, Texas, just outside of Dallas, Texas. And we'd love to help you with your Mercedes-Benz service and repair. 469-501-5115 and accelerateautorepair.com. Thank you.